Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Bhavesh and let's begin with today's video. If you ever heard of AS400, IBM or Power Systems, you may have wondered why are companies still using this platform? After all, we live in a world of cloud computing, Kubernetes, AI, and modern web applications. Shouldn't AS400 have disappeared years ago? The answer is much more interesting than you might think. In this video, we'll look at why IBM I continues to be used by organizations around the world and why many companies have no plans to replace it. Is AS400 obsolete? Let's begin with a common misconception. Many people think AS400 is a computer from the 1980s that has never changed. That isn't true. The AS400 was introduced by IBM in 1988. Over the years, it evolved into AS400, then I series, then System I, and today it is known as IBM I, running on IBM Power Systems. While so many people still call it AS400, the platform has continuously evolved for decades. Modern IBM I systems support multiple languages like SQL, Java, PHP, Python, Node.js, web services, REST APIs, Linux partitions, and also modern development tools. The name may sound old, but the technology continues to evolve. Why companies still use AS400? The biggest reason is simple because it works. Many critical business applications have been running successfully on IBM I for decades. Examples include banking systems, insurance, manufacturing, distribution, retail systems. These applications process millions of transactions every day. When something is reliable and generates revenue, companies become very cautious about replacing it. Reliability and uptime. One of the IBM I's strongest advantages is reliability. Many IBM I servers run continuously for months or even years with minimal downtime. The operating system, database, and hardware are designed to work together as an integrated system. This reduces complexity and often results in fewer failures. For businesses that depend on continuous operation, reliability is extremely valuable. The next point is security. IBM I has a strong reputation for security. Security is built deeply into the operating system. Some of the security features include object level security, user profiles, authorization lists, auditing capabilities. Many organizations trust IBM I with highly sensitive business data. No system is completely secure, but IBM I has earned a reputation for being one of the more secure enterprise platforms. So why not move everything to the cloud? This is where things become interesting. Suppose a bank has an application that has been running successfully for 20 years. The application works. Employees know how to use it. Customers depend on it. Now imagine replacing it. The migration could cost millions of dollars. The project could take years. And there is always a risk of introducing new bugs and failures. For many organizations, the question is not, can we migrate it? The question is, why should we migrate if the current system works? Is it different from the cloud? Cloud platforms offer many advantages like elastic scaling, global infrastructure, managed services, rapid deployment, but cloud is not automatically better for every workload. Many companies choose a hybrid approach. They keep core business applications on IBM I while building new applications in the cloud. This allows them to benefit from both platforms. But today, we can also see that major cloud providers like Google, Amazon, and IBM, as well as Microsoft, they offer AS400 in the cloud. Are there still jobs for AS400? Absolutely, yes. Many organizations still need RPG developers, CL developers, IBM administrators, modernization specialists. The challenge is that many experienced IBM professionals are approaching retirement. As a result, companies often struggle to find skilled replacements. For those willing to learn the platform, opportunities still exist. So what is the future of IBM I? IBM continues to invest in IBM I. New releases continue to be developed. Modern development tools continue to improve. Integration with modern technologies continues to expand. Will IBM I dominate the future? Probably not. Will it disappear tomorrow? Definitely not. Most likely, IBM I will continue serving critical business workload for many years to come. So why is AS400 still used? Because it remains reliable, secure, stable, and proven. For many businesses, replacing a working IBMI system simply doesn't make economic sense. The platform may not receive the same attention as newer technologies, but it continues to power important systems around the world every single day. If you're learning IBMI, CL programming, RPG, or AS400 administration, you're learning skills that are still valuable today. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like these kind of videos, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.